Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to iron a t-shirt properly. First, always check the care label on your t-shirt to determine the correct fabric type and the appropriate ironing temperature. Next, make sure your iron is clean and, if it's a steam iron, fill it with distilled water. Finally, lay your t-shirt flat on a clean, heat-resistant ironing board, smoothing out any wrinkles. Now, let's tackle the main body of the t-shirt. Start by ironing the largest flat sections first, like the front and back. Use long, even strokes, moving the iron continuously to prevent scorching. Apply gentle, consistent pressure, but be careful not to stretch the fabric as you go. This helps maintain the t-shirt's shape. Next, move on to the sleeves and collar. For the sleeves, lay them flat and iron from the shoulder down to the cuff, ensuring no new creases form. When ironing the collar, work from the outer edges inward towards the center. Always smooth out any existing creases with your hand before applying heat from the iron. To finish, immediately hang your freshly ironed t-shirt on a hanger to prevent any new wrinkles from forming. It's important to let the t-shirt cool completely before you fold it or put it on. Proper storage, like hanging or neatly folding, will help maintain that crisp, smooth appearance for longer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.